Are you considering buying Social Insider for your social media management and analytics needs? There are 12 crucial things you need to know before making that decision, especially when comparing it to competitors. Let's dive into what makes Social Insider stand out and where it might fall short. First up, Social Insider offers detailed social media analytics across various platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. This is great for businesses wanting to track engagement and performance at a granular level. However, when compared to tools like Sprout Social, Social Insider might feel a bit limited in terms of integrations with other platforms, especially in CRM and marketing automation. Next, one of the standout features of Social Insider is its reporting capabilities. It offers customizable reports, making it easier to create tailored insights for clients or internal teams. The downside, though, is that some of the reports can be more difficult to set up if you're not familiar with data visualization tools. Other platforms, like HubSpot, offer more user-friendly reporting for less tech-savvy users. The third thing to consider is Social Insider's pricing. It's a bit on the higher end for the features it offers compared to alternatives like Hootsuite or Buffer. If you're just starting out or have a small budget, it might not be the most affordable option. However, for teams that need high-quality analytics, the pricing could be justified. Next thing, customer support. Social Insider has a solid reputation for responsive customer service, offering chat and email support. But when compared to platforms like Zoho Social, which offer 24/7 support, you might find Social Insider's support a bit more limited in hours. Another thing you should know is Social Insider's ease of use. Its interface is sleek, and the dashboards are relatively intuitive. But if you're comparing it to something like Buffer, which prides itself on simplicity, Social Insider's interface might take a little longer to get comfortable with, especially for beginners. Next thing, content scheduling. While Social Insider does allow for scheduling posts, it doesn't quite match up to the likes of Sprout Social or later in terms of advanced scheduling features. These competitors offer more flexibility with automated publishing and better content calendar views. The seventh thing to know is Social Insider's competitor analysis tools. It excels in tracking and analyzing your competitors' social media performance, giving you insights into how you stack up against the competition. However, some other tools like Rival IQ might provide more in-depth competitor tracking. The eighth point is the platform's analytics for paid campaigns. Social Insider offers analytics for paid social media, but it lacks the in-depth features provided by tools like Facebook Ads Manager or Google Analytics. If you're running large-scale ad campaigns, you might find it lacking in this department. Another thing to consider is that Social Insider can track trends over time. This feature is great for understanding long-term performance, but it's not as robust as other platforms that provide real-time social listening, like Brandwatch. The 10th thing, team collaboration. Social Insider offers team collaboration tools, which are helpful for agencies or larger businesses. However, tools like Sprinkler or Social Bakers offer more advanced team collaboration features and management controls. The 11th thing to know is that Social Insider provides a 7-day free trial. This is a good opportunity to test it out before fully committing, but be aware that some competitors like Buffer and Hootsuite offer longer free trials or free plans for individuals with fewer features. Lastly, if you're planning to scale and need to manage multiple accounts or clients, Social Insider has features that support growth. However, it still doesn't match the scalability offered by larger platforms like Sprout Social or AgriPulse, which are designed for larger teams with more complex needs. So, is Social Insider a good option for your social media management and analytics needs? It offers great insights, especially for smaller businesses or agencies focused on detailed analytics. However, for a more comprehensive solution that offers better pricing, ease of use, and scalability, you might want to check out our recommended solution. You can try it for free and see if it suits your needs even better.